So hey there guys, so this video is gonna be a tutorial for you guys. Like, as you know, my phone is like really old, like not that old, like 4-year old now. So yeah, it just got off, like it is not supported anymore, so it doesn't get any more Android updates. So it is stuck in, I think, Android 10, I think. So it's now in Android 11, but MIUI, like Xiaomi UI, is really weird. And yeah, I'm stuck in MIUI 11 and I don't know why, like my phone doesn't get any dark mode. So I was like looking for a way to get like dark mode in my phone, because yeah, I think dark mode is just looks really good and it doesn't hurt like in the eye much more. So it's gonna be a lot more like darker, and then also it is gonna save a lot more battery. So I just look for an application in like the Google Play Store. I just look for like dark mode and I installed like 2 applications. I tested the first one and it doesn't work, and then I downloaded the second app. It's right here. Yeah, first off, this application is really good. I don't know why, it's just one press start and it just does it all. So you just need to go to the Google Play Store and just type in like dark mode, and then after dark mode it's gonna be the one at the top, this guy by Julian Eggers. So it is really good. Like the application is, first off, when I was looking at the pictures, it doesn't really look really legit. It just looks like some like really bad stuff. So yeah, so but from the reviews it seems like it's pretty good. Yeah, like from the ones that you can see. So I just downloaded it and then I opened the app. The app actually looks the same as like the ones at the Google Play Store, like the preview. So I didn't think it was really good. So I just, first off, it was on the day mode. So it's, as you can see, like in like the notification center, it's gonna be really light, and then yeah, it's gonna like, okay, it's gonna refresh everything. So it's gonna be like on the light side. So like the settings, it's all like really bright. Yeah, so we just press on the dark mode and then press on night mode. You can also press like auto mode and like choose like the one, this one, like the activate time switch. So like around what time till this time it's gonna be dark mode, and then after that it's gonna be day mode. So but I don't really, I just want dark mode. So like it just looks really good, and also it's gonna save battery. So this is like the list that what like the application can like do. So like Instagram, like first off, I'm gonna show you guys Instagram without the dark mode. So like my Instagram was, I don't think it's got supported, so it doesn't have any like dark mode. But now guys, the recording just got us out, so I'm gonna show you guys like the dark mode. The dark mode is like, it's here, it's like really here. Yeah, so it's really good. Yeah, so yeah, that application is just one tap and it just activates everything. Like the ones in the list, it just activates everything. So it's really good. Like the one that needs like action required, you can just go to the app and settings and just activate the dark mode. But yeah, like Instagram right here, usually like my like MIUI 11 and like Xiaomi, like my phone right now, it doesn't support dark mode, but now it just supports the dark mode. So basically it's gonna be all guys, it's gonna be a shorter video, but it's a tutorial that I think you guys need. Like if you have an old phone like me, you can activate dark mode to also look like, make your phone look pretty decent and also save battery. I think that is gonna be all guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you like this kind of video, and also leave a like. That's all, and God bless you.